Sekuphele izinyanga ezintathu uMike Chloe eqhinqe eRaphael Penthouse ebuilding elilodwa neMichelangelo Towers eSandton. Indodana yakhe yathenga igumbi kuleli bhilidi endalini ye-auction ngo-2013.
The previous owner didn't pay his debts. Now, they say before I occupy these properties as a family property, we must advance to pay the previous owner's debt amounting to 700,000.
uThlo uthi bayisayinda inkontileka echaza ukuthi angeke bakhokhiswe leso sikweletu. Abameli bathi kusewuye okufanele aqinisekise ukuthi lesikweletu somkhandlu webhilidi siyakhokhelwa.
He's in a very tight situation where the body corporate is not going to issue him with a levy clearance certificate unless the levies is paid. So what I would suggest him, to make his life easier, and if he's eager to take transfer of the property, is to pay the arrear levies on behalf of that owner under protest and then recover it from the owner.
Abakwa Legacy Group okuyibona abaphethe ukusebenza kwaleli bhilidi banqabile ukuvezwa kumakhamera kwa-ENCA kodwa bathi lesigameko asijabulisi. Abakwa Legacy Group bathi bazoma nesinqumo sabanikazi bamakhaya sokumvalela ngaphandle uChloe kuze kukhokhwe zonke izimali ezifunakalayo. Lolu daba lizoya enkantolo ephakeme yase-South Gauteng ngesonto elizayo kodwa lisahlehlisiwe ukuvumela uChloe ukuthi athole abameli abasha.